Wishing one and all present here a very good afternoon. Forging ahead, I feel happy to announce that amongst us, Sabah Ghaziani, India's foremost food stylist, a magnificent food photographer, a virtuous tabletop worker, and member of the Indian Culinary Circle. Ma'am is an alumnus of IIT Mumbai and has worked with a very popular hospitality name, The Leela. She has been in the profession of food styling for over a decade now and has satiated food visuals, styled food products in 500 plus commercials for Indian as well as foreign brands such as KFC, ITC Foods, Cadbury, and Pizza Hut, to name a few. It is a privilege to have a pioneer in the art of food styling and food photography with us today. We would now request Ms. Meenakshi Simbli, Head of Department of Food Production, to kindly take over the session with Ms. Sabah Ghaziani. Over to you, ma'am.
Session is students. We have Sabah ma'am, who is a food stylist, a food photographer, and we have had a session with ma'am here. The students of IHM Pusa had that session, and everyone was awestruck by the expertise that ma'am has into this area with all these years of experience. And actually, I'm not going to take your time much, ma'am. I would always love to listen to you again and let the students also have an idea as to what this all is all about. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Now, I need this to be a two-way interaction. There's no way I'm going to speak for 4 hours. Can you hear me? So, please, guys, go unmute yourself and be present with me, because I can't be speaking for 4 hours. No, I can speak for 20 hours, but I need people in front of me. So
Yes, ma'am.
at least I should be able to
We are
hear
here,
you.
ma'am.
That's great.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I can hear you, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Sab jan आवाज करो, चिल्ला पुकार करो. That is better.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We were waiting for this.
Waiting for
Sorry.
मजाक बोली थी वो.
We got justice.
नहीं कोई मजाक नहीं, सही है, सब सही है. Now, I don't think everybody knows me. Like people know me around over here. What do you guys understand about food styling?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you switch on your video?
Now, students, the video is on. There might be some issue from at your end. The video is very much on.
प्यारी सी शक्ल दिख रही है मेरी, देखो अच्छी खासी.
Okay, fine.
I'm so sorry, my video is on.
Ma'am, it's the art of making food look good.
Sorry, ma'am, we can't see you.
मैं क्या करूं?
I'm the only one we can say is Kanishk, so you know.
Yes, ma'am. Connect is visible only.
He's always visible, man.
He's always wearing a green shirt.
Connectivity is low.
Kanish
I
Kopi.
really can't see.
Kanish Kopi in that.
Aditi Raizada.
Students, just let the ma'am speak.
All the students, just let ma'am speak for some time, and then you can come up with your comments.
Mama.
Okay. Can you hear me at least, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, well, I am most unprepared for this chat today. I don't know what I'm going to be. I don't know what I've got into because इतने सारे बच्चे हैं whom I can't see, who can't see me sometimes, and I am supposed to talk about myself and what I do. I believe all of you are culinary students. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am. They are all the hotel management students.
So if you are all culinary students, what are your options, career options after passing out from college? Have you all thought about it? करना क्या है लाइफ में? सब जन को शेफ बनना है क्या?
No, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
What are, so as a culinary graduate, what do you think are your career options? सब बावर्ची बन जाएंगे तो खाएगा कौन?
Ma'am, front desk is an option too.
I'm open for exploration. Not 100% sure yet.
Housekeeping.
Okay.
Ma'am, I want to become a hotel manager.
ओके तो अगर आप होटल मैनेज, ये कोर्स में तो आप मतलब 4 चीज़ होती है, या तो आप फ्रंट ऑफिस हो सकते हो, या रेस्टोरेंट फूड एंड बेवरेज सर्विस होगा, या फूड एंड बेवरेज प्रोडक्शन होगा विच इज़ किचन, या तो हाउसकीपिंग होगा. बट अगर हम फूड एंड बेवरेज प्रोडक्शन और सर्विस के बारे में ज़्यादा अगर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें, बिकॉज एवेन्यूज़ वहाँ ज़्यादा है. इफ़ यू स्टार्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन दैट, Riddhi, 1 second guys. बोल डॉक्टर भेजती हूँ. I'm so sorry. So where I'm coming from is that if at all आपको is everybody comfortable with English, या मैं हिंदी में बात करूँ? I am okay either way.
Yes, ma'am. Comfortable.
We are comfortable. We are comfortable.
We are comfortable, ma'am.
And we are comfortable.
Awesome. Because okay, ठीक है. So what happens is typically, like at least when I cleared from catering college, I was, मेरे दिमाग में एक ही चीज़ था, बावर्ची बनना है बस, एक मस्त एकदम तोड़ू फाड़ू शेफ बनना है हमको बस, और कुछ नहीं करना लाइफ में. But later on I realized, I mean, after being for so many years in not as a chef, let's call it that way, it is possible to do a culinary degree and not be a chef. Like, love cooking and still not be a chef, and you can still be happy with that. I am happy with what I do, really happy. So my whole thing is not to discourage you from becoming a chef, but my basic reason for me to come and chat with you kids right now is that don't get disheartened if you don't have your culinary degree with you. बहुत कुछ खाना पकाना और खाना सर्व के अलावा आप कर सकते हो, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमको बस इतना ही यही है, अब ये नहीं मिला 5 स्टार होटल में नहीं मिला, 3 स्टार में भी नहीं मिला, अब मम्मा क्या करें. It's not that. I mean, you can look at options of becoming a food technologist, or somebody who develops recipes for other brands. I do that also nowadays. Can you believe it? मैं सब कुछ कर रही हूँ. It's like that. You can become, you can do that. You can get into food styling. You can get into food, which is also a very niche field. You know, you need to learn photography also for that. But a food photographer needs to know food before knowing photography. और अगर आपको food आ जाता है तो you have crossed more than half the barrier. You just need to know the science of your camera, and you can become a food photographer also. You can become a food writer. You can become a food critic. Industrial positions require that degree that you are setting out to take right now. So I would just say that don't get disheartened when you don't get a hotel job. There are way too many fields, and please don't make food styling your last career option. Choose to be a stylist, work towards being a stylist, study like that, and be one. अभी आपके पास टाइम है, सोच सकते हो. Age is in your favor. You can think through. You can look at other people who are doing various fields within the food genre and decide one and be that thing. ये ज़रूरी है. ये न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट क्या हुआ? Okay, I'll repeat career options. छोड़ दे प्रिया, छोड़ दे. Sorry, it's a busy studio. Okay, I'm going to repeat the career options. I'm just told to repeat the career options. As a culinary graduate, of course, you have your 4 career options, which is in housekeeping, in front office, in F&B service, in F&B production. Now, F&B production and service is where I am mostly concerned with. प्लीज, वो लोग 4 बार मुझसे पूछ चुके हैं कि फिर से रिपीट करो. I'm so sorry. Okay, no more disturbance. I'm really sorry. Apologies completely. But yeah, so career options में you can be a food stylist, you can be a food photographer, you can be a food technologist, a recipe developer, a restaurant consultant who consults in collating how to set up a place, whatever. यूजुअली क्या होता है पता है कि व्हेन वी स्टार्ट ऑफ एज अ करियर, हम वी गो, अरे बड़ा बड़ा हमारा होटल मैनेजमेंट डिग्री आ गया, लेट्स गेट इनटू अ होटल. बट देयर आर दीज आर नॉट द बेस्ट टाइम्स टू even be in a hotel industry, especially in a tourist related, hotel related industry. Food industry right now is not the best. It's one of the worst affected by the pandemic. And so yeah, economically we are not doing very well within the food industry, to be honest with you. My friends who own restaurants, they are suffering. They're paying out of pocket to their staff and things like that. So it is very important that अभी अगर आँख खुल गई है तो ढूंढ लो. There are other ways of making your own career. Like my son is he's also a culinary graduate. He's right now in Boston. He is doing food anthropology. Now, food anthropology is the history and culture of food. And he's doing his master's from Boston University. He, with his culinary degree from CIA, from the Culinary Institute of America, does not want to be a chef. He wants to be a food writer. So that's also something that you can do. I mean, if you have a good command on your language, you can become a food writer. You can become a food taster for that matter. There are so many people I know who are very, very good. Their taste buds are good. Like I've got one girl with me among my staff also. Salt का taste उससे perfect कोई नहीं बता सकता. It's like that. And there are people who pay you for these things. There are people who pay you for smelling different types of coffees, tasting different types of liquor. Even I mean, and so many such fields exist. So if you can develop this space for yourself by being the best in that subject, the key is to be the best in that subject. In India, there is not much of a scope for food. मैंने तो सुना नहीं है food anthropology के बारे में sweetie. But Boston University has got a online course also now on food anthropology. It's that. How do I go ahead? What is food anthropology? Okay. I'm going to go to the box. See all your questions. You all are typing. Yeah. Okay. So just hold on to your questions because I'm going to now start answering one by one. What is food anthropology? Food anthropology is learning what my son is doing is global history and culture of food itself, not cuisine. History and culture of potato, history and culture of rice, history and culture of chilies. कहाँ से वो पैदा होके कहाँ तक आ गया? It's like that. So that is food anthropology. Then how to be a food critic and what are its ways and requirements. For a food critic, आपको तो पहले तो लिखना शुरू करना पड़ेगा. आप अपना एक ब्लॉग चालू करो, कोई भी एक रेस्टोरेंट पिकअप करो, खाना खाओ वहाँ पर जाकर अपने खुद के पैसे का, क्योंकि पहले आपको कोई वहाँ पर बैठ के खाना नहीं खिलाएगा जब तक आपका नाम नहीं होगा. तो पहले अपने खुद के पैसे का खाना खाओ और आकर उस रेस्टोरेंट का मेन्यू को क्रिटिक करो, आपको कैसा लगा। और व्हेन आई से कैसा लगा, if it is saying Calcutta food, if it's saying Bengali cuisine, is it Bengali cuisine? First of all, do you know Bengali cuisine? How much do you know? What is the first taste that comes when you taste kosha mangshu? Do you know that? So those things you'll have to know. If you want to be a food critic, you have to know everything about food, every taste. You need to be a master. You need to know what to taste like. Then you can judge somebody कि उसने उसको टेस्ट बराबर से बनाया है कि नहीं. It's like that. I wish we could have molecular gastronomy. I swear, I wish we could have molecular gastronomy. Even I wish. I wish I could go to this guy in London and do a course with him on molecular gastronomy. Who's that guy? Who's that chef from Fat Duck in London? Give me his name. Heston Blumenthal. Yes, Kriti, you're good. Yeah, Heston Blumenthal. No, I am not Bengali, but I know Bengali food very well. मैं अभी बंगाली लंच खा कर आ रही हूँ मेरी मॉम इन लॉ के घर पे. And yes, Heston Blumenthal, he is like a god. So he came, so last year, 1.5 years back, Heston Blumenthal was in Bombay and I didn't get to meet him. I was like, oh, it was like, so my sister-in-law, she had gone there, she met up with him and she had a picture of him with him. I was like, this is so not done. Yeah, no, it was about Heston Blumenthal, molecular cuisine that I was asking. Hi, Chef Gagan, how are you? Yeah. Gordon is not Australian, Gordon is American. No, Gordon is British. Gordon Ramsay is British, Scottish, exactly. That's right. How do you go ahead developing recipes? Where do you start? Okay. So, so recently I recipe development for a client. We had to develop 3 recipes. One was Hyderabadi biryani, the other was Bombay biryani, and the third one was Yakhni pulao. Now, everything about recipe development is really depends on who your client is. Are they into a convenience food, or is it a restaurant that you're going to develop a recipe for? So all those parameters are there. My brief given to me was make it as easy as possible with this masala to make biryani. Now biryani is a very tedious process. हमको सब पता है. मतलब हम उसको उसके लिए culinary graduate होने की जरूरत नहीं है to know कि biryani is so difficult to make, right? Yeah. So what happens is when so the masala that we finally developed, आप मसाला डालो, दही डालो, चिकन या वेजिटेबल जो डालना है उसमें डालो, हाफ कुक्ड राइस उसके ऊपर डाल दो और दम कर दो 45 मिनट्स. डोंट डू एनीथिंग बिसाइड्स दिस. जस्ट डालो मसाला और चिकन और दही मिक्स करो, हाफ बॉइल्ड राइस ऊपर डाल दो और ढाँक दो फॉर 45 मिनट्स एंड गैस बंद कर दो 45 मिनट्स के बाद. योर बिरयानी, योर हाउस विल बी स्मेलिंग ऑफ दैट बिरयानी, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. लाइक चौथे माले से ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे खुशबू आती है. तो द होल थिंग इज टू मेक समथिंग. दिस what we made is a pure spice blend. तो द प्रोसेस इज कि आप पहले एक एक्स अमाउंट, where do you start from? So I normally start from onion. क्योंकि मैं 100 ग्राम प्याज ले, 100 ग्राम प्याज के लिए बाकी क्या क्या लगेगा मुझे, तो मेरा कितना मसाला बन रहा है, ये मसाला कितने राइस के साथ में बिरयानी के लिए ठीक रहेगा. फिर वो बनाना शुरू होता है. 1 बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, 50 बार, 252 times, like that, till you get the right taste after the process that you've decided it should take. It's like that. So that's how I develop. So first एक छोटा बैच बनता है, वो छोटे बैच के बाद में वो 4 पोर्शन बनता है. 4 पोर्शन का वो 1 kg का बैच बनता है. 1 kg के बाद 5 kgs, 5 kgs के बाद 25 kg स्केल अप, 25 kgs के बाद में 100 kg स्केल अप. I've done till that much. So 100 kg scale up में what changes and all that, of course ये सब सीख के आता है. मैंने कोई फूड का कोर्स, मतलब फूड टेक्नोलॉजी का कोर्स किया नहीं है, लेकिन मैं पढ़ती बहुत हूँ तो आ जाता है. The important thing in this is to keep yourself up to speed with the latest in terms of technology, in terms of inventions and innovations that are happening within the food industry, and work with it. You get it. Then we develop some recipes जिसके अंदर सिर्फ गर्म पानी डालो और 3 मिनट 4 मिनट रुको और वो खाना रेडी हो जाता है. So you all must have heard of this upma, MTR upma poha, and even Maggie has now upma and poha and all that stuff. So something similar we developed, ready to cook. It is like kappa noodles, correct path. It's like kappa noodles. But here, you know the kind of recipes we develop: dal chawal, दलिया, नमकीन दलिया, मीठा दलिया, नमकीन सवैयाँ, वेजिटेबल पुलाव, और क्या किया मैंने, 14 such dishes. उपमा पोहा तो था ही था हमारे पास में. That was just 2 of the regular stuff. खिचड़ी की हमने, दाल खिचड़ी. So it is more about freeze-dried ingredients. Now I have come to realize freeze-dried ingredients are the best form after fresh food. Freeze-dried. Yeah, Avinash, I'll tell you how to become a food photographer. Just give me 2 minutes. So yeah, astronauts, it was earlier used for astronauts. They were taking, so what happens is you cook the food and then you put it in a freeze dryer. It's like a plate. उसपे ऐसे you just पचाक वो मार दो वो प्लेट पे, वो गोल गोल घूमती है और उसका टेम्परेचर कम होता जाता है और वो from solid state it directly goes into, it remains in the solid state but frozen form. So in between के सारे stages निकल जाते हैं. It's that, you know. What is black photography? I don't know what is black photography, but freeze drying is what I just learned while developing these recipes. So of course learning never ends, and that is what it is. You cannot apply in CIA for MSc. You can apply in which is the other college? No, not Yale. Ivy League college has got MSc, or Boston University offers MSc in food. It's that. So, phase in the beginning of your career after graduation, how did you handle those difficulties? हिमांशु, तुझे ना न्यूज़पेपर में जाकर काम करना चाहिए. न्यूज़पेपर वालों जैसे सवाल पूछ रहा है. But as a food enthusiast, ma'am, I am on Instagram. If there's any specific meal or dish that I'll never forget. It's not about forgetting, because you don't forget anything anyways. But if you ask me about my best food, I mean, having traveled a lot of countries, eaten a lot of food, knowing those food while because we study also about all those cuisines, I really truly believe that Indian cuisine is best, is tastiest. I swear. The spice level, if you can manage the spice levels, it is the most flavorful, it is the tastiest food. Cornell University, yes. Cornell University, yes, Dhruv. Cornell is the university which offers MSc in food. अभी तुम लोग सब वहां पर गूगल करने लग रहे हो क्या फूड कॉलेजेस के बारे में? Okay, I will show you, I will tell you what food photography, what I do. So there are, अभी सब जन यहाँ पर लिख भी रहे हैं कि मैं कितना चीटिंग करती हूँ एंड व्हाट इज बिल्कुल अलग क्यों होता है फूड में, फूड और फूड बिल्कुल अलग क्यों होता है. गुड क्वेश्चन आर्यन. फूड, रियल फूड और वो अलग होता है. 1, बिकॉज हम अगर इडली शूट करनी है तो हम 20 इडली बनाकर 2 शूट करते हैं, उसमें से 2 बेस्ट लुकिंग. समझे आप? दैट इज 1. अंश, तुम रुक जाओ, तुम्हारा वेजिटेरियन नॉन वेजिटेरियन पे आती हूँ, रुक जाओ. ये एक सवाल ये आंसर कर लूँ, फिर अंश का जवाब देती हूँ मैं. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज we handpick all the ingredients. They are the best looking ingredients. Even when I'm doing a McDonald's shoot and the McDonald's burger looks like अभी आकाश से डिसेंड किया है, वो इतना गुड लुकिंग है करके, राइट? या फूड फोटोग्राफी के टाइम पे भूख नहीं लगती बेटा, मुझे कभी भूख नहीं लगती है. सो लेट्स नॉट इवन गेट देयर. आई हैव अ वेरी वेरी बैड फूड हैबिट्स, सो लेट्स नॉट गेट इनटू माय फूड हैबिट्स. आई डोंट ईट मच रियली. सो फूड फोटोग्राफी के टाइम पे भूख नहीं लगती. ऐसे इतने ही पतले 45 kgs फॉर द लास्ट 20 years. डोंट वरी. So yeah, nobody uses shaving cream, nobody uses mashed potato for ice cream or shaving cream for ice cream or for cream. No, we use non-dairy cream. I use real ice cream. I shoot for Haagen-Dazs, I shoot for Baskin Robbins, I shoot for Magnum ice cream, I shoot for Walls ice cream, and they are all real ice creams. It is all real ice creams which are shot. No fake cheating happening out there at all, because I don't need to do it. I can work with real food. चिकन कहाँ से बनाऊं तुम बता दो। चीज को अगर मैं स्ट्रेच कर रही हूँ, उससे अच्छा चीज तुमको लगता है मुझे ग्लू दे सकता है? With the backlight and the off-white texture and the smoothness and the juiciness that comes in mozzarella, do you think I'll be able to get it in any glue for that matter? और उसका टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल, और वो ग्लू अगर कंबस्टेबल है और किसी ने वहां पर जाकर माचिस सुलगा दी तो पूरा सेट। Why will I kind of stress what they show out there? Which is why, you know what happens, Nitish, especially answering your question to you, Nitish Roy, these people who are in the media love creating sensation. मुझे हर बार यही आता है, मैम we want to take your interview, but can you give us a few of your tricks and tips and whatever shit. Okay, there are no tricks. It is all called common sense. Food styling, food photography is common sense. अगर आपके पास common sense है, which is not so common really, but अगर common sense है तो आपको ये पता होगा कि जो हमको फ्रेशली प्लक्ड कैप्सिकम या स्पिनिच मिलता है उससे ज़्यादा गुड लुकिंग आप हमें बना ही नहीं सकते फेक. It's like that. So you don't have to go into first what we do is, of course, we do a little bit of shortcuts. We don't cook the chicken till the absolute optimum, क्योंकि फिर चिकन का वो रेशा छूट जाता है, टेंडन छूट जाता है तो वो हड्डी दिखती है तो क्लाइंट को पसंद नहीं आती है करके. So to make it look better, you undercook your stuff. You cook it only to get the right color and the right texture. But अगर भुना मसाला दिखाना है तो मसाले भून कर ही भुना मसाला दिखेगा, right? What do I think ABC of food photography? मुझे क्या पता? What food styling actually is? Food styling is to make food look good for the camera. Is to make your bhindi look like Katrina Kaif. Samjha? That is food styling. You need to make your bhindi look like Katrina Kaif, sitting out there doing nothing. Katrina Kaif ka face is expressionless. Your bhindi probably has more character than Katrina Kaif's face. Okay, so that is what it is. Food appealing and pleasing. To make food appealing and pleasing. ए पूरा क्वेश्चन लिखो यार, आधा क्वेश्चन लिख रहे हो, फिर मेरे को इतने सारे के बीच में मैं वो दूसरा आधा कैसे ढूंढूं? ये सबके बीच में रिया चक्रवर्ती क्यों आ गई? मैम प्लीज आंसर माय क्वेश्चन. व्हाट वाज योर क्वेश्चन अंश? ओके, रुक जाओ, आइसक्रीम के बारे में बात करते हैं. तुमको आइसक्रीम के बारे में आइसक्रीम शूट के बारे में अगर सुनना है तो रुक जाओ. स्टॉप टाइपिंग, वेट. ओके, स्टॉप. When I do ice cream shoot, I will scoop it out. I will put it on dry ice, the ready scoops, and I keep that overnight on dry ice. Next day, जो भी हमको शॉट करना है कि है उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा गार्निश है, whatever I will use tennis balls or tissue balls, scoop it, put it up there. In my camera, I will compose the entire presentation. जो भी हमको शूट करना है वो मैं कर लूँ पूरा. वो होने के बाद when I'm ready with all my lights, all my accompaniments, embellishments, garnishes, okay, all of that, once that is done, then all I need to do is remove that scoop and replace it with that frozen hard scoop which I had kept it in dry ice last night. तो वो जो hard scoop है, you take a straw, you blow up the frost from that and boom, you shoot it. आपको 5 या 10 मिनट मिल जाता है शूट करने के लिए. It's no problem. It's that simple, really. So I'm telling you, there is no rocket science. So in short, how can one be a food style photographer after BSc course? Do a photography course, assist somebody, and you will become one. Who is my inspiration? I rarely get inspired by people. Heston Blumenthal is my inspiration. I love what he does. So anybody who can do stuff which I cannot do, I look up to them. But अगर मुझे लगता है कि ये तो मैं कर सकती हूँ, शायद मैंने किया नहीं है लेकिन मैं कर सकती हूँ, then it's done, it's over. Then वो मेरे at par हो जाता है. ऐसा नहीं है that I look down upon people. I never look down upon anybody. But I don't find them revere, somebody whose work I would like to follow. So like in food photography, in food imagery, in terms of video, there is this guy called Ronald Coetzee. I can type his name. You all should. I am highly impressed by this guy. He is at least 10 years ahead of me in terms of professionally. We meet, we talk, I am in touch with him, I like him. I love his work, I love his passion. And he's reached the thing which, given the circumstances in India, because India and Europe, they are like Earth and Mars kind of stuff. So it's different, but I would like to reach somewhere there, or maybe have him work for me one day. Why not? Okay, ma'am, I'm pure vegetarian, so is there any need to learn cooking non-veg? Of course, आपको बावर्ची आपको बनना क्या है? पहले ये बताओ, अंश गर्ग आपको बनना क्या है? What is it that you want to be? You want to be a vegetarian cook in your own father's restaurant or your own restaurant? Then don't need to know non-veg. But अगर आपको एक culinary graduate बनना है, तो भाई non-veg सीखना तो दूर की बात है, चखना भी पड़ेगा. खा के और अच्छा टेस्ट ओके करा कर ही आप टेबल से बाहर भेज सकते हो इन अ रेस्टोरेंट. डोंट यू नो दैट? तो अगर आपको अभी लग रहा है कि लाइक मैं तो मतलब मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं तो नॉनवेज को हाथ भी नहीं लगा सकता, सूंघ भी नहीं सकता, उस कमरे में भी नहीं रह सकता, तो भाई आपको इस कोर्स में ही नहीं होना चाहिए. My inspiration into food world is the movie Ratatouille. Can I know your take on that movie? It is a brilliantly done movie where you fall in love with a rat. It is a brilliantly done movie. If you, as in terms of food also, it is very well shot. Another great food film that you guys should watch is Chocolat. And you will, first of all, I mean, there are two things that will happen after watching Chocolat. You will fall in love with Johnny Depp, which I am already, and you're going to love the chocolates, the chocolate shots and everything. Yes, I have seen Chef. I love the movie. The guy is a rock star. The food shots are very, very good. How to shoot with phone, ma'am? अपनी खिड़की के पास में कोई भी खाना रख दो प्लेट के ऊपर, खिड़की के पास में, और फोन से शूट कर लो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, सबसे अच्छा दिखेगा. Because it is, when I light a food, it is always as per the sunlight. I follow the sun. So either I will do a 10 o'clock light source or a 2 o'clock light source, but it's always this kind of a source, backish. So अगर आप खिड़की पे, अपनी घर की खिड़की पे उसको रख दोगे खाने को, वहाँ पर प्लेट में जो भी रखा है ना, जो एंगल में शूट करोगे मस्त आएगा. It's always good. I also love Burnt. I think that guy is a rock star. Jack Sparrow, no, Johnny Depp. Aryan, Jack नाम जॉनी डेप है. एंड बर्न्ट बाय ब्रैडली कूपर. मैंने ये सब देखा है. जूली एंड जूलिया, मी एंड माय सन हैव वॉच्ड इट बैक टू बैक फॉर लाइक अ ईयर. ओके, सो एंड उसके बाद में जूलिया चाइल्ड की पूरी दैट एंटायर वॉल्यूम आई हैड टू बाय एंड गिफ्ट टू माय सन बिकॉज ही इज नाउ इन लव विद जूलिया चाइल्ड. तो या, food styling is about arrangement of food and other essentials, ingredients that particular can use even a parchment paper to make a shot, and of course backdrop contrast dish. Yeah, correct. Yes, Sharma, you're on point. Have you ever seen 100 Foot Journey? Yes, I have seen 100 Foot Journey. Yes, I have seen Charlie and a Chocolate Factory. Chocolat is fabulous, mind-blowing. Chef is good. Meryl Streep is queen. Meryl Streep is Maharani. She is the goddess of acting. Let's not get there. Let's come back to college. इधर आ जाओ. हम बॉलीवुड से भी ज़्यादा हॉलीवुड पहुंच गए हैं. Let's come back. Okay. किचन नाइटमेयर्स नहीं, मैंने किचन नाइटमेयर्स नहीं देखा। मैम प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट fundamentals of food styling and plating. Fundamentals of food styling and plating. Know your food. Know your food very well. Try to create that same food in 1/10 of the time that you can, that is actually required to make it. So you have to undo what you have done in terms of culinary college, culinary school, and create your own paths. Because there are no books beta to learn anything. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3. Make your own rules. हम ऐसा करते हैं बस. It's like that. But what is very important is for you to know your food. I'll come to food taster. Wait there. What is important is that you know your food. Because आपके अराउंड जितने भी लोग आते ना, वो सारे बेवकूफ़ हैं. उनको खाने के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. वो खाना बेच रहे हैं लेकिन खाना नहीं पता उनको. आपको पता है क्योंकि आपने सीखा है. आपके टीचर्स ने आपको सिखाया है. It's like that. So you know your food. Know how it should be served traditionally or in a contemporary manner or in a wacko manner according to your actual brief के किसको क्या चाहिए. And according to that you start styling your food. You start making that particular sandwich or a biryani or a pasta or a aloo puri. Can be anything. ना पूरी का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है दैट वो फूला हुआ होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा ब्लिस्टर्स नहीं होने चाहिए, गोल्डन कलर होना चाहिए. बनाओ ना वैसी पूरी. आपने सीखा है. Yes, I've met Vikas Khanna. I have worked with Vikas Khanna. I know Sanjeev Kapoor also very well. But let's come back to the point. वो सब जाने दो. तुम लोग मेरे ऊपर बाद में ढूल करते रहना, मुझे बाद में पिंग कर लेना. Let's talk about what we are here for. Ranveer Brar, I know him really very well. Yeah. We had done a conclave together. Ranveer Brar and I, we were like the key speakers out there for some culinary conclave. Ma'am, how can we find sponsors for CIA or any other college? CIA and all that stuff, you will not find sponsors. No, your best sponsors are your mom and dad. बोलो पैसा जमा करने के लिए और करो. Would you use liquid nitrogen? Nitrogen I'll use if I need to use it. On a regular basis, I don't need liquid nitrogen. I don't need engine oil. I don't need petroleum jelly. I don't need gas. I don't need your glue. I don't need paint. I use milk. I use cream. I use cheese. I use mozzarella. I use actual pasta. I use normal cooking oil. And that's what it is. Could you please say how important things to consider while food plating to get the best plating of one's dish? Okay, this I had told last time also during when I had come in January, in December. That food plating every time, always, please, it depends on the cuisine that you are serving. अगर आप इंडियन क्यूजीन सर्व कर रहे हो तो प्लीज उसका टावर बनाकर उसके ऊपर से पुचुक पुचुक सॉस मत डालो. उसको सत्यानाश मत करो. हमारा इंडियन फूड अलग होता है. Okay, do you use pancakes? Do you use sticks for pancakes? Why will I use sticks for pancakes? What sticks? I don't know. But you guys are confusing me. Wait. So I'm telling you how to do plating. Plating will depend if you're plating a pasta, then you plate a pasta the way you would want to plate. Like maybe or if it's a spaghetti, you twirl it. What is important is to keep your plate very clean at the end of it. Don't make a mess of it. Okay, keep the sauces and the various elements visible. Don't make a hash of it unless it's supposed to be a hash. Like if I have to style a paella is a non-veg khichdi, correct? तो उसे खिचड़ी दिखने दो. Do not lose the character of your food. आपके पास पनीर मखनी है आपका और बटर नान है और आप उसकी प्लेटिंग करोगे तो क्या करोगे? आप पनीर के पीसेस का टावर बनाओगे, उसके ऊपर से मखनी सॉस गिराओगे और नान को साइड में रखोगे ऐसे छोटे छोटे ट्रायंगल काट के. क्यों? कौन खाता है इस तरीके से पनीर मखनी? कहाँ देखा तुमने? Sadiq Ghaziani is my husband. So don't do that. Food plating is completely dependent on your cuisine. Who's Shivesh Bhatia? I don't know Shivesh Bhatia, I'm sorry. Okay. Why is paneer called cheese? Because it is the way. Do you know how cheese is made? Paneer is made exactly like that. पनीर को आगे जाके क्योर करोगे तो वो चीज बन जाएगा. आपको पता है? आप अपना जाके लारूस चेक करो. then you will know. Paneer is a type of cheese. There are lots of types of cheese. You have cottage cheese, which is paneer. You have mozzarella cheese. You have cheddar cheese. You have Emmental cheese, blue cheese, Roquefort cheese, Stilton cheese. They are all different types of cheese made out of different kind of milk and gone through different processes. Paneer is also one such. Unsalted cheese is paneer. Cottage cheese is paneer, not unsalted cheese. Unsalted cheese is unsalted cheese. Unsalted butter is unsalted butter. One second, मेरा बिल्ला मुझे परेशान कर रहा है. Sorry. Mozzarella cheese is made of buffalo milk. Ma'am, do you know Reynold Pornomo? No, I don't know who's Reynold Pornomo. Ma'am, why chocolate and water are enemies? Because chocolate is oil based and water is water based. Same thing. Ma'am, I still don't know much about cooking, but I have passion for food. Any advice for me entering this course? संस्कार, आपका पैशन फूड में है, मतलब क्या फूड खाने में है या फूड पकाने में है? I'll show some of my work. I will show. मैं बहुत बड़ी शो ऑफ हूँ और मैं बहुत कुछ दिखाऊंगी आपको. But ma'am, could you tell please the importance of shape and color of plate that we use for food plating? Not very important at all, sweetie pie. अगर आपके पास में if you have the luxury of selecting your plate, then go by your aesthetics. आपके हिसाब से typically I would do opposite colors. तो अगर मेरे पास में लाल कलर का, येलो कलर, मस्टर्ड कलर इंडियन करी है, I would like to use a teal color or a opposite color plate. You know, so that the gravy also stands out and the plate is also not shouting too much. I avoid noise in my crockery. When I say noise, I mean a lot of design, a lot of tiki, whatever, golden line and golden dots and flowery patterns and all. I generally try to avoid that. If my food has already got so much texture, if I have a plain cake slice which has got nothing on the top to be placed, then I will use a plate which has got some design. So I my plate and my food as per that. Plating techniques and aesthetics, be clean, be normal. Don't try to ape the Western culture if it is an Indian food. And after that, if it is a Western food, better the Western culture. Make it better than what they do. So referencing. Keep looking, keep your eyes, ears always open when you are at home, when somebody else is cooking. घर में कोई महाराज खाना बना रहा है, मॉम बना रही है, दीदी बना रही है, आप बना रहे हो, आप क्या क्या प्रोसेसेस कर रहे हो उस पर ध्यान दो. आपको उतना ज़्यादा उस फूड के बारे में मालूमात बढ़ती जाएगी. Tofu is made from soya bean. Yes, that is right. Tofu is obviously veggie, but not always veg. Sometimes tofu also has a little bit of soya ka non-vegetarian part of it. Okay, what opportunities do we have to catch to make sponsors look into our innovative idea? I have some. Can I text you for further guide? What do you mean, Nimish? मुझे समझा नहीं बेटा. Meenakshi this side. These students will go on and on. Okay. Meenakshi, I like that. Many restaurants try to garnish their food too much. Yes, don't do that. Don't garnish your food. Let the food show. Why are you showing garnish? Nowadays, the latest trend internationally also is to make the food look what it is, but fresh. Like 3 दिन पुराने को तुम look बना सकते, but 3 घंटे पुराने को आप good looking बना सकते हो. वो अच्छा दिखेगा. Ma'am, your food pics are amazing. Thank you. Would you please tell us your story and how you got into this? Ma'am, please suggest some books and magazines to read. Read Gourmet Magazine, read Food and Wine Magazine, read Ingredients Network, read there's Ingredients Network. Well, read BBC, Good Food. Go through their blogs, go through their videos, go through their magazines, their food shows. Gourmet Magazine, same thing. एक और है edible communities करके एक है. You should look up to edible communities. I mean I hope whoever asked the question is taking notes and writing it down, because नहीं तो जाएगा. Ma'am, do you have experience with vegan food? I want to become a vegan. I'm trying very hard to become a vegan. मेरे से ना शाम की चाय नहीं छूटती दूध वाली, और रात का दही नहीं छूटता. नहीं तो मैं vegan बन जाऊंगी. And do you know what is vegan food, beta? Vegan food is vegetarian food minus milk and honey. Everything that we cook at home, otherwise in India, is vegan. Minus, yeah, anything that has got milk and honey. Can
Sorry,
a
ma'am.
bad cook be good photographer? Yes. A bad cook can be a good photographer. A good photographer can be a bad photographer. A bad cook, all of that, no problem.
Ma'am, can I interfere, ma'am?
Yes, Meenakshi, tell me.
Ma'am, I think the students have a good amount of questions for themselves, and of course, they have the Google right in front of themselves. So they will be going on and on with their questions for
Yes,
sure.
sweet.
What
can
I
go on and
actually,
on.
yes, you can, ma'am, but the students can also keep on putting in their questions, and it will be the whole, as you said in the very first, the beginning itself, that you can go on for 20 hours also. And the
Yeah.
students will be the ones, those who will be actually putting themselves onto Google and getting all the questions that they have. But I would always love to have you there in the institute to actually give that idea as to what this photography is all about. And till that time, what I anticipate is the students will get the clear picture as to what the kitchen is all about. So they might be having that glamorous sort of a thing look right now. You will always be
There is
seconding
no
my
glamour.
statement. There is no glamour for sure. Let the students be aware about it. And आप सिर्फ इतना जरूर बता दीजिए कि glamour इसमें कहीं नहीं है. You have to
कोई
slog,
glamour
slog
नहीं
and
है
slog.
बेटा. Yeah, you're slogging your ass out.
Yes, they have to slog
Every
completely.
day, even
Yes.
till date, even till date. Like
Ji.
last time was an ad film for a pizza company, and I cannot give you the name. But yes, we were shooting for 2 days non-stop from 7:30 in the morning till 3 o'clock in the morning. Both the days, back to back.
Yes.
So yes, there is a lot of hard work, and you can't.
Lot of hard work, lot of learning, and let them actually come up. That is the reason I had to interfere into it, because they will be having, but I want them to actually understand what the kitchen is all about, what is the cooking all about, what is, then of course they can move to the photography section. And then only can they have that vision as to what are the actual questions that need to be answered from you, because you have so much of you have given so much of a time for these students today, and the type of questions that they are giving, they are just going in for a Google and getting the questions for you. I will always say that let them work on to themselves, let them have that idea as to what they are coming up with questions, and then of course nothing best than you to come up with the answers for those questions.
Aram se compile something.
Bilkul,
You can take down my email address. You can write to me. I promise you, I will reply to every mail.
So nice of you, ma'am.
Yeah, I am just giving you my personal email ID. This ये किसी को बताना मत, बिकॉज नहीं तो मैं मेरा वो नॉर्मल ईमेल एड्रेस दे दूंगी ना, तो उसमें आपका मेल गुम जाएगा. सो आई एम गिविंग यू माय पर्सनल. Okay, 1 second, spelling mistake, but I'm giving you my personal email address.
We can share that with the student. You can.
I have shared.
Right, ma'am.
That's my personal email ID. Take it down. Whatever questions you all have, please ping me, write to me. I will 110%. I will always reply. I never let an email go unreplied, especially if that's a student or something.
So nice of you, ma'am. So nice of you.
Yeah.
The students for sure now will be putting up the questions which they actually get an encounter, or they encounter once they are into the practical field.
Yeah. Is there a way, Meenakshi ma'am, is there a way I can share screen?
Yes, ma'am. That is right there on your.
Yes.
Niche hai, ma'am.
Correct. So I'm going to open a particular presentation out here. Guys, listen. और ये 10-15 मिनट चलेगा, and then after that we can go into some more question answers if you want. Yeah.
Ma'am, you can actually share this. We can put it on our website also in case you want it, so that it is a ready reference for them.
I don't mind. This is all very pictorial.
Ji.
There are titles. I speak on the title, and I give you picture references of what I've just spoken. And it's very short, it's not too much. It's like,
जी हाँ जी मैम.
yeah, it's like about some 25-30 pages. That's it. So yeah, I can mail this to you.
Yes, ma'am. That would be
yeah.
actually, we can just put that for the students.
Yes, yes.
In fact, we have the next speaker also in waiting.
Oh.
For
So do you want me to just mail it to you and they can?
yes, ma'am. That would be much easier for us also to just send it across to the students.
Acha. Okay, no problem.
If that
I'll
is
send it.
fine. If you want that way, otherwise we would always love to have another session. We can plan it out and in advance and have a word with you. We can do that also, since the students
It's
will
okay,
be
ma'am.
having a good amount of questions.
I know ये लोग तो
That
पूरा
is all
दिन और
your-
पूरी रात चलता रहेगा
जी
इनका ऐसा
जी
लगता
जी हाँ जी
Yeah.
ये
है।
बिल्कुल
तो मैम
चलता रहेगा.
आपका ईमेल एड्रेस मुझे दे दो या तो आई विल टेक इट ऑन व्हाट्सएप एंड आई विल फॉरवर्ड दिस प्रेजेंटेशन टू यू.
जी 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 अभी मैं मिस्टर पंत से कह देती हूँ.
हाँ,
प्रिंसिपल he will send across the mail ID to you so that you can just put in this video which can be shared with the students also.
Perfect. So it's sign out for me.
Ma'am, thank you. I'm really actually apologetic for this session that you had to cut short. But yes, it was a really, the students were all happy to come up with their questions. The only thing was that they were coming up with the questions that was, I wanted them to first understand what they are talking about, and then only they can actually have the realistic questions, rather than getting anything from the Google and getting the questions on the chat box. I hope you understand the and second my thought.
Yes, it's no problem at all, Meenakshi ma'am. No problem, no problem. It's cool.
So nice of
you. We'll meet up.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe you'll organize a session and.
Surely, ma'am. I will always look forward to, and especially for these students, those who are joining in this year.
Yes.
For them, we will for sure have a session so that you can actually share all the experience, because you have such a vast experience that you have, and that will. This is quite a lesser time for that experience to be shared with these students.
Yeah, for sure.
That is yes, ma'am. That is for sure. जी जी हाँ वो तो पूरा दिन आपका तो पूरा दिन हम वही कह रहे थे आपके लिए तो वो भी कम पड़ रहा था तो ये तो बच्चे तो हमारे तो चलते रहेंगे फिर मैम.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye. See you then.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you so much, Sabha ma'am, for such an insightful session and for taking out your time to interact with us. And thank you, Meenakshi ma'am, for moderating this. And thank you to all the students for participating like this. Next, we would request Dr. Shweta Mishra ma'am and Ms. Sakshi Sharma, both lecturers at IHM Pusa, to take over the session and introduce to you the clubs at the Institute. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Shivang. I would request sir to please allow the people to enter from the lobby. Shweta ma'am is also waiting there, and as well as members of the club session. All our activities at the Institute, the activities like performances at various functions, representing our institute at various reputed organizations, being nationally, internationally, is done with the help of the teams, which we are going to talk in this session. So we'll start with our today's session. So Avila, if you can share your screen.
Ma'am, it's gone again. It's gone again. I can't share again.
Okay, fine. I will just wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We have with us Shweta ma'am, Dr. Shweta. Ma'am is the faculty in charge of TRAS. So both me and ma'am are going to deal with the session.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
So as I said, the heart of our institute lies in all these teams. And very soon we're going to have you people, the first years, who are energetic, the youngsters who fill our institute with that vibrance. Yes, of course, in the pandemic times, we are missing all of you, but we say that change is the only constant that we have. And undoubtedly, soon the situation is going to change. And we are going to welcome you all in our institute with our open arms with grace. So we are going to take this session forward with our first club or the society present at IHM Pusa. First one, I would like to invite the representatives of Asavari, the Music Society. Kajol and Tanya, please take over the session.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Go ahead.
My name is Kajol Tamang.
Go ahead, Kajol.
And we are from Asavari. Asavari, the community of IHM Pusa. The pillars of Asavari are teamwork, understanding, coordination, and diversity. We always strive to present something new and give an amazing experience to everyone. This is a platform of artists where each and everyone works best. The best music, best performances, best personalities, best vocals, and best spirits. We have left our essence on the stages of IHM Panipat, Pullman Aerocity on the occasion of FEMA Annual Meet, Le Meridian on the event of ICF Chefs Award, Paritan Perv, and of course our prestigious IHM Pusa on events like Annual Day, Teachers Day, Freshers, Farewell, and lot more. From past 7 months, we have been performing through online platforms, compiling the music and vocals and presenting it to everyone on events like Independence Day and this very own induction. We believe in making where all the singers and instrumentalists are treated as equal and all artists being one soul work together to create something beautiful and soulful every time. So we are looking forward for you to join our family because we are one, we are Asauri. Thank you.
Moving ahead, we have Panch Tattva, the Dance Society. And for this, we have representatives today, Vinay and Shrishti. Vinay and Shrishti, kindly join.
Evening, everyone.
Yes, Vinay, go ahead.
Good afternoon, Pusaites. I am Vinay Kumar Verma, and with me is my partner Shrishti Sikda. We are here to introduce to you the intricate choreography of Panchatattva, the dancing society of IHM Pusa. Being a part of Panchatattva is not only a perfect way to keep yourself fit through dance moves, but is also one of the best ways to express yourself and emotions. Not only you learn discipline, but also ethical traits of teamwork and leadership, which plays a vital role in shaping your personality, reflected in best possible way when entering the industry in near future. Now, my batchmate shall introduce you the folk rhythm of the society.
Thank you, Vinay. Good afternoon, freshers. Panchtattva welcomes with open arms all those aspirants who have a passion for dance, learning new dance forms, showcasing their talents, and developing into a better self via various events happening within college and outside. Be it the constructive, positive competition among universities and colleges of the region, or the mellow sound of vibrating ghungroos echoing during cultural annual day celebration, be it formal yet informal bond shared with seniors performing at farewell, or be it the vibrancy of colorful costumes of folk dances during state lunches, and finally, the patriotic piece in tricolor experienced during Independence Day and Republic Day celebration. Your foot will definitely start tapping on Indian and Western beats alike. You should not give this experience one a miss. Now Vinay shall conclude the essence of Panchtattva.
Yes, we provide a perfect platform to our members to showcase their talents, interact with people sharing similar interests, and finally represent the same on their CVs in golden letters, reflecting the great personality traits of an amazing team worker, a charming leader, and obviously a hardworking individual. By this, we want to conclude our introduction and hope that we'll be able to meet a lot new fresh talented members and receive good support from your side. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Srishti and Vinay. Now I would request Kaladhar, the Dramatic Society representatives, Goransh and Vishwas. Please join in voice.
पूसा नमस्कार, मैं हूं गौरांश ठाड़ा
और मैं हूं विश्वास खंसली और हम हैं कलाधार के कलाकार.
Kaladhar, the Dramatic Society of IHM Pusa, welcomes the upcoming pioneers of the hospitality industry, the batch of 23.
Kaladhar presents to you the opportunity to perform in and around Delhi, along with prestigious events conducted by the Ministry of Tourism and the Government of India. Kaladhar acts as a mirror for the Indian society as it reflects issues which requires the urgent attention of our masses.
Kaladhar is a wholesome experience as it promotes growth through the right exposure to hard work, fun, and creative environment that leads to holistic development.
Kaladhar is a platform where progressive minds channelize their thoughts to educate the society and bring about a change.
Thus, with our hearts and hands wide open, maintaining a distance of 6 feet, and with our mask on, we would love to have you guys at Kaladhar. Hope to see you guys real soon in college.
Take care and stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vishwas and Goransh. And I love this Pusa Namaskar. Pusa Namaskar to everyone. Moving ahead, we have Vakta, the Orators Club. And for this, I would like to invite Shankanil and Astha.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Shankanil Datta and my colleague Astha come to you from the Orators Club of the Institute Vakta. Now, when a person walks into the room, he says, "Here I am." When an orator walks into the room, he says, "There you are." Now, if you can sense the difference, you're one of us. Now, Vakta is a club of highly passionate individuals who come together on account of their common passions, public speaking, and other forms of engaging interactions. As a literary club, all members undergo spectacular transformation throughout the 3-year tenure. Now, IHM Pusa is a place of ceremonies. The academic years are dotted with events of both national and international acclaim. As such, the need to have good speakers who become the voice of the institute becomes pertinent. So whenever there arises a need for a speaker, the club has to take the stage. And with that, I invite my good friend Astha to take it over from here.
Thank you, Shankani. हम बहुभाषी हैं और भाषा कभी एक बाधा नहीं रही। यदि आप संस्थान में बिताए अपने वर्षों में योगदान और विश्वास करने के इच्छुक हैं, तो आपका वक्ता का हिस्सा बनने के लिए स्वागत है। सत्य की बात के रूप में वक्ता के अधिकांश सदस्य सहयोग के वातावरण के कारण पूर्णता में विकास करते हैं, जो हमारे संचालन को व्याप्त करता है। संस्थान की आवाज होने के साथ साथ हम संस्थान में ओपन माइक्स और वक्ता सदस्यों के साथ चर्चा सत्र भी आयोजित करते हैं, जहां हम अपने भाषण को में कौशल बढ़ाने के लिए मिलते हैं। हम आपकी रुचि और फलस्वरूप भागीदारी के लिए तत्पर हैं और इसी के साथ हम वक्ता के सभी सदस्यों की तरफ से आपका स्वागत करते हैं और हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए आप आशा करते हैं। Welcome aboard. And
Thank you so much, Shankanil and Astha. We are looking forward to many people joining this team because they are present everywhere. Wherever the function happens, you can see from last 3 days, they are there for us. Thank you so much. Next, we move on to Kalakriti, the Art and Decor Society. And for this, I would like to call upon Ishani and Palash. Please come over.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Evening to the batch of 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, there is some disturbance.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
ensure everyone switch off your, just mute your mics. There should not be any disturbance in between. Please mute.
I believe there was a student named Hardik where music was being
Hardik,
played.
yes.
I have muted him. I believe
Okay, ma'am.
he finally understands how to mute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead, please, Ishani and Palash.
Good evening to the batch of 23. I, Ishani Najavan, and my fellow team member Palash Gogoi, on behalf of Kalakriti, the Art and Decor Society, welcome you to the IHM Pusa family.
Art and love is the same thing. The process of you. Kalakriti is a platform where you can freely discuss ideas and make beautiful works of art to create stunning spaces. We explore and push our boundaries with the range of art forms and mediums, from whirly to origami and from acrylics to rangoli, and we have even started dabbling into the digital space. Kalakriti gives you an opportunity to think your wildest ideas and come together as a team to breathe life into it.
When our college hosted Italian chefs for a food fest, we constructed a life-sized gondola solely out of waste. For our Sikkim-themed lunch, we painted down Sikkim's
Anand
scenic
Kumar
beauty
Jha.
on a giant canvas
Yes.
in just 2 days. One occasion, when we were short on supplies, we salvaged
join the
old
meeting.
journals and created an entire event with just that.
Imagine yourself stepping into an event. What is the very first thing you notice? The very first thing that makes your mind assume how exciting or how monotonous it's going. It is the way it looks, the posters, the decor, the stage, and that's what Kalakriti does as a club.
When you finally come to college, you will see an entire wall adorned with burly art, which was a result of 2 days of strenuous painting. Now it's a legacy that we leave behind, and we hope that you will leave your mark as well.
As a new member of the Kalakriti family, you will get opportunities to let your creativity nourish and then flourish, to think critically to solve problems while working harmoniously with the team. We do not just decorate places. It's memorable by creating beautiful spaces.
If you're an artist who wants to express yourself and create bold art and happy memories, Kalakriti is the place for you. So join us and let's make some art. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Palash and Ishani. What wonderful work you people have just shown us. And right now it feels like that everything should just open and we should all be here with all the wonderful work that you people keep on doing. This working in isolation is really hitting badly now. Okay, moving ahead, we have SYNC, the Technical Support Club. And for this, I would like to call Kshitij and Avilay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kshitij Singh and my co-rep Avilay.
Hi.
So welcome to IHM Pusa. It's so good to see such new vibrant faces after such a long time. So the college tech team is a very multifaceted tech support. It is literally the backbone of all the events which happen in our college. Every event that takes place, there are some issues which are faced, and it makes tech makes the Herculean tasks look very small and like a walk in the park. So it streamlines the functioning of all the societies, and it is the candle wick which stays ablaze and keeps the ambience, very bright. So Avilay, please take over.
The numerous tasks it overlooks include handling consoles, to doing groundworks like making posters for every event. It ensures that all the tasks and responsibilities are going in sync with the standards of this premier institute, and hence it's the sync now, the tech team. Hope you join us. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Kshitij and Avilay. People are started asking question, can we join more than one club? Yes, you can, depends the work does not clash. because when we have events at our place, then all the teams are working together almost. And so if you are going to be in two teams, then sometimes we do face problem. But yes, of course, we want our students to have as much as exposure they can, because PUSA is a place, IHM PUSA is a place where you have plethora of opportunities. And we'll look at that at that time only, right? Now we have the next theme, Shutters of PUSA Photography Club. Please go ahead, Avantika, and go ahead, Vaibhav.
Hey everyone, welcome to IHM PUSA. I'm Vaibhav, and along with me is my batchmate Avantika Singh, and we'll be representing the Shutters of PUSA, the photography club here at IHM PUSA. The main objective of our group is to make sure that the various events which take place at IHM PUSA have memorable photos to which they can post upon furthermore. I would now hand it over to Avantika to brief you more about what our club is all about.
Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you to the PUSA family. So as Vaibhav said, that shutters capture the moments. Like we actually capture almost each and every moment of the college. So you can say we bind the desperate beads of college memory necklace. So we are not looking for a professional photographer or as such, but what we are looking for is the one who is always ready to learn and grab opportunities as they come. So
Thank you, Avantika. Just like Avantika said, and as of what I saw in the previous session with Saba ma'am, there are a lot of photography enthusiasts among you all. I hope to see you all in our team pretty soon. Thank you.
Vaibhav, there is a question that I can see. Do we need to have a DSLR with us for photography?
Yeah, it is ideal that you have a DSLR, but if you have a digital camera or an SLR, you can work with that too, as long as you're enthusiastic and keen to learn about photography.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Vaibhav. Thank you, Vaibhav and Avantika. All the photographs that we have out here, I must tell you, it is the contribution of these people only. Keep on fighting with them. Do give us photographs. But yes, they do save all the photographs in the computer lab part. Okay. Okay, taking you forward with the next team, magazine and sponsorship club. For this, we have Kshitij and Avile. Please take over.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to IHM PUSA. We are representing the magazine team. As you would have already guessed by the name, we are here to make the magazine club. Are dedicated in making the annual magazine parade. The magazine is divided into three distinct parts, which are sponsorship, design, and editing. By using InDesign, Photoshop, and CorelDRAW.
So hi guys. As Avile said, we have three distinct sections in the magazine. One is sponsorship, where you will be focusing on only garnering the funds for the magazine so that we can release it. But you will also learn to do a good sales pitch, go on sales calls, and even do cold calling. And you will also have to roam the market for sponsorship. Now, secondly, we come to editing. In editing, you will be focused mainly on proofreading and editing all the articles which have been submitted to the magazine. And thirdly, design, which I guess is the most interesting of all. Here, you will be making the magazine from scratch using softwares like InDesign and CorelDRAW. So in magazine, we go by a saying that we quell the storms and ride the thunder. So this saying actually literally came into play during this pandemic, when against all odds we were able to garner enough amount of funds to release the magazine successfully. So our only goal is that the #1 institute, the premier institute, PUSA, has a magazine worthy of its name. So if you want to join us in this fun-filled journey full of hard work also, so please do join us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kshitij and Avile. It is a real hard work of these magazine and sponsorship club that we get our magazine ahead. And obviously, yes, the other team will also tell you how they contribute to this magazine team. Now we have the next club, Sports Club. Sports is heart of everything. And it is done with as much vigor as we work for other clubs. And our students enthusiastically participate every year in the sports day. So we have for sports with us Gracie, who is going to brief us about that. Yes, Gracie, please join in.
Good evening, freshers. I'm Gracie Chowdhury and here to introduce to you the Sports Club. The Sports Club is one of the most active societies of IHM Pusa. Institute has its own well-maintained courts for basketball, volleyball, badminton, and lawn tennis. Besides this, we also have many indoor games such as tiki, chess, carom, etc. An indoor gym is also available for the hostel residents. College conducts various tournaments all year round, and an annual sports day is organized at the Commonwealth Khel Gaon, where many sports activities such as athletics, tug of war, shot put, etc. takes place. Athlete of the Year is also awarded on the sports day. So, here, we look forward to your active participation in the club.
Thank you so much, Gracie. I must tell you people out here, Hokip sir, the sports in charge, he does not even let the faculty sit. Even the faculty has to run in the race. So everybody has to be that much participative. Okay. Okay. Moving ahead, we have with us scriptures team now. So scriptures, the Literary Society, Soumyaranjan and Harsimar. Please take forward.
Good evening, everyone. You know how every college has a writing club? Well, this is it. Except there's really no writing here. I'm kidding, of course. A hearty welcome to the batch of 2020 from Scriptures, the Literary Society of IHM Pusa. In Scriptures, we aim to provide you a platform to weave your words into art, to appreciate literature, and as we consider our society to be a safe space more than anything else, to express yourself. In the previous years, we have hosted and participated in multiple poetry events, pop quizzes, and open mic, among many other activities on a regular basis. The Society has also been instrumental in the publishing of the annual magazine for the Institute. Over to you, Harsimar.
This year, we're planning on a plethora of events and competitions that will lead you forward on your literary journey. Some of the things that we've got in mind include bi-weekly poetry competitions, round-robin stories, monthly book discussions, and periodic discourses on films and other media. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. We're always open to suggestions from fellow club members and will try our level best to execute your ideas as well, provided they're feasible, of course. If you're interested in joining Scriptures, our initiation process is pretty simple. All we require from you is a blood sacrifice. I'm kidding, there's no requirements as such, but if you're passionate about writing and wish to hone your skills in the same, doesn't matter what you write, poetry, stories, blogs, reviews, or if you're just looking to start out with the pen and want to appreciate literature and cinema, this non-judgmental writing community is here for you. I look forward to interacting with some of you in the near future. May the force be with you.
Thank you so much, Harsimar and Soumyaranjan. As I can read from the chat box, yes, we do have a half of the basketball court. I do agree with this. Remember, you are coming here for your course in hotel management. We are not going to produce any of the people who are going to join the athletics department, though there is no end for the future growth. You can definitely go and do your masters in sports. And yes, when you say humor out here, of course, we should have some humor. Too much of seriousness also hurts, isn't it? Okay, let's move ahead with our next team. We have much awaited with us Think Responsible, Act Sustainable team, whole about sustainability, the baby product of our dear faculty, Shweta ma'am. Shweta ma'am is going to take from here the Eco Club, along with Somanj and Tushar. Welcome you, ma'am, Tushar and Somanj.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have to transfer the rights to Somanj, or is it done? It's done, I believe. Right. Thank you, ma'am. Please take over, ma'am.
Right. Now, before we start up, let me remind you, today's date is 16th October. And 16th October is celebrated as International World's Food Day. So what is the special thing about today's? It is World's Food Day. And we are the people who are into service industry. We are the people who have the major core department as food production department. We are the people who are serving food to so many people. The students over here join into hotels, they join into other catering industry. So we as hotel management students and we as institute sensitize our students, sensitize all the people over here that we should not be wasting food. Even a grain of food should not be wasted. That with this aim, we have started our Eco Club, and that's the main purpose which Tushar and Somansh will take you through. And before they take over, let me just tell you one more statistics, which you can even find on the internet. The amount of food wastage, what is happening worldwide, you can get to know from the statistics that 821 million people all over the world are undernourished. They don't get food even to survive. There's another thing, out of every 9%, 1% is left hungry. So that's the kind of food statistics what we get. That is the data what we are having. And if with this kind of serious problem in the world, we are still managing to throw food, then it's something real bad on our part. So here we have two of our leaders from the Eco Club who will be taking you through, and their name is Tushar and Somansh. And believe me, it is not 1 or 2% out of you who will be joining the club. It is all of you. Each and every person of the institute joins this club by not throwing food. Whether you are there at your home or even in the institute, or you are going to a birthday party or some other function. So you'll not take heap of food on your plate and just throw it away in the dustbin. So wherever you are part of Eco Club, and you are over here with the aim not to waste food. But certain people become leaders amongst you, and there are two leaders who have taken more of the initiatives in the Eco Club, and they will present you what initiatives they have taken apart from food sustainability. So over to you, Tushar and Somansh.
Tushar?
I think Somansh, you may start if he has connectivity problem.
Yes, ma'am, it seems that way. So, good evening, guys. My name is Somansh. First of all, welcome to PUSA. I'm right now presenting TRAS, the Eco Club of our college. So, in this PPT, I'll be talking about an introduction all about TRAS, green initiatives of IHM PUSA, awareness campaigns that I think ma'am Tushar is here.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible now, ma'am?
Tushar can continue. Tushar can go.
Yes, Tushar, please welcome.
Thank you. Sorry to you all for interruption. And hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? I am Tushar Parlawar, going to introduce the Eco Club. Excuse me. Okay.
Whosoever it is, please mute yourself. Mute yourself, whosoever it is.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Tushar.
Okay, ma'am. So here I am going to introduce to you the Eco Club along with my co-member Somansh. And in this PPT, we are going to brief you about what is Eco Club, what is TRAS, then what green initiatives does our college take, then about the various campaigns that we do, and then finally about the important challenge called Feed the Planet. Next slide, please, Sumanj. Okay. So Eco Club is a volunteer group of students who like to participate in our activities and learn about improving their environment, and they want to know about how to sustain the environment. And not only Eco Club gives its member the opportunity to learn about environment, it also sensitizes other members or other students of a college, and then it gives priority to food sustainability. And apparently when you'll be joining this club, it will help you to build up your thought process, and it will eventually help you in making your personality. Honestly speaking, after joining this club, qualities like having a more concern towards mother nature has increased in me, and the club also always motivates its students to lead and initiate into activities, so it is a very good club. Next point. Okay, so now TRAS. TRAS is an initiative of sustainability taken by IHM Pusa. The acronym of TRAS, as you can see, stands for Think Responsible and Act Sustainable. Now coming towards the vision of the Eco Club, we at Eco Club strongly believe that, and I recommend you all to listen to this very carefully, that we at Eco Club strongly believe that environment is no one's property to destroy. On the other hand, it is everyone's property, and we can say property, responsibility, or duty to take care of it. And we at IHM Pusa try to inculcate these values in our students by giving them various opportunities at the events and activities we do at the Eco Club. Okay, so here are some green initiatives that are adopted by IHM Pusa, which includes sewage treatment of water, then solar heating of water, using noise-free generators, rainwater harvesting, recycling of paper, and vermicomposting. Okay, so here are some specific objectives of TRAS, which includes, we want to minimize the water wastage at the institute to tackle the water crisis. As we all know that the water crisis majorly in the city of Delhi is a very huge problem. So we want to do our part by minimizing it. Then we want to minimize the wastage of electricity at the institute, reuse water whenever possible after proper processing, and then to track and minimize the wastage of food.
So I'll be talking about several awareness drives. We organize several inter and intra-college competitions in our college, several talk shows to promote the causes of TRAS. Moving on to Feed the Planet. Feed the Planet was started in the year 2018 in association with World Chef Federation. I'm proud to announce that we have reduced the food wastage to 2.5%. And in the year 2019, we were recognized in the Paris Conclave to successfully implement the program. And now we have prepared a small video for you guys to understand food sustainability.
Okay, the audio
So
is not
Manch,
coming.
Yes, ma'am.
audio is not there, so please share it using Optimize for video and images.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Just share it again.
Let me see. And can you just tell me where can I optimize the video for
Yes,
this?
yes. There is a share button. Can you see the share button on the
Yes, ma'am.
PPT itself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just on top of that, there is a drop box. There are two options in that. One is to optimize text, and another is to optimize the video.
All I can see is share content or share my meeting window. Just a second. I'll try playing it without the PPT, ma'am.
Okay, you can try to play it separately.
I can play it separately here. I think it should be audible by now. My thing, I'll transfer the video host rights to Avile for this video, and I think he can show you guys the video. Just a minute.
Right, so Manch. Otherwise, at the time of sharing also, when what ma'am was saying, there are options of optimize text, optimize image and videos. When we click over there, then it becomes audible. If you can just check it once more while sharing, there have that optimize option. Two options are there under optimize. One is for text and one is for your video. If you can find the way you did it yesterday. Students, please be patient enough. Don't put such comments on the chat box. And right now we are serious about it. So here again, we have it without the audio, Somanj.
Ma'am, this is Avile sharing.
Okay, Avile, again, this is without the audio. When you were sharing it, you would have got two options of optimizing. Did you got that or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, wait.
please click on. Yes. Take your time, no issues. Yes, good enough.
Agriculture is the biggest cause of forest loss. So food sustainability essentially aims at regeneration, that is putting back into the soil what you take out.
To me, food sustainability means nutritious, healthy and tasty food that is delivered to me with minimum negative impact towards Mother Nature.
Food sustainability isn't just about the food, it is also about how it is produced, how it is packaged, how it is distributed, and how and where. So it's not just a singular concept, but an overall
Has joined the meeting.
and it should be used.
We need to practice aspects of this system so that we continue to keep our environment inhabitable. And I am proud to be a part of an institution which has never overlooked the aspects of it and continues to practice food sustainability system since a very long time.
At PUSA, we share our food and do not waste it, not only as a means to save it for others, but also as a respect to the farmers who grow it and chefs who prepare it.
As a hostel in PUSA, we would always strive to maintain high sustainability standards.
We have a system of ordering less food in small quantities, consuming it completely before going on for a second round.
In the mess, the meals would always be cooked with respect to the number of children dining, and we would have no recycle bin days so as to strictly maintain no wastage for food.
Food sustainability means sourcing from the local farmers, using every edible part of the plant. For example, making onion salt from the onion peels.
I would like to share a few ways that we can make our food more sustainable. These are: avoid using pesticides, additives, and go organic. Buy from local grocers and farmers and support them. Eat more of seasonal and local produce. Encourage cooking as it helps to control over our own food.
Food sustainability can be defined in many ways, but at its core, it's engagement in activities that keeps the environment healthy and makes food production socially viable and economically feasible.
And that was a bit on food sustainability. Avili, if you can transfer the hosting right back to me. Thank you. If you all can see the PPT now, I'll be talking about Swachhta Pakhwada. Swachhta Pakhwada is the cleanliness drive that we organize in our college in association with Government of India. Several inter-college and intra-college competitions are organized, talk shows are organized, and as an active member of TRAS, you can either help us organize these competitions or be an active participant in these.
Anand, Hesh.
Moving on to water conservation. Water conservation campaign was started
Join the meeting.
in our water, and several steps were taken like rainwater harvesting or sewage water transplant. We want goal-oriented students to join us in TRAS. Feel free to contact our co-train members. Special thanks to Kritika Kapoor and Ruchit for putting up this segment with us. Back at you, William. I'm transferring the rights.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Tushar. Thank you, Shweta ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we take forward this with our closing video compiled by Avile for the various performances. We'll go with that last one and the session will end. Please, Avile, share that. Yes, it is awesome work done by our seniors. You are true.
Everyone's gathering around the fire. Chestnuts roasting like a concert. I should be chilling on the funk side. I'ma be under the mistletoe.
Well, that was
You
really
guys
exciting,
enjoyed.
Avile. Really nice work has been put in by Avile out here. And the last video that you saw, the last segment of the video that you just saw are some of the photographs of the appreciation day. And when you are the part of the team throughout the year, I was reading certain chat coming out here that what if we join the group in between? See, then you are not appreciated. That's it. Nothing much. Right? So we have appreciation day only for those who are there with the team throughout the year because it's a teamwork. Remember it, boys and girls, youngsters, so-called youngsters. You need to be patient enough for good work to come up. And undoubtedly, the boys and girls that we have in our second year and third year, they were just like you when they came in first year. But now look at them. They look gentlemen and gentle ladies, right? And they have groomed themselves so nicely. Isn't it, Shweta, ma'am?
Ma'am, I just want to extend your point that all this is only and only done by the students. We are just
Definitely.
only supporting them, and they are the one who are leading the
Yes.
complete clubs.
I
So
agree with you, ma'am.
it is totally the efforts of the students who are there with us, and you have to listen to them so that you can make your club the best club. I would say the most popular club. So you have to be very active into the club. Just don't join for the sake of joining.
Definitely.
And please listen to your seniors. They know much more what you know as of now. So whatever instructions are coming from them, it is through us which is given to them. So you have to listen to them.
Yes. You are correct, ma'am. Absolutely correct. We do not have any music teacher here, dance teacher here. We are all specialists in our lines. We are busy taking our classes. And it is these people in our team, the third years, whom we tell about what is to be done. We have our groups with them. They communicate the message. If we feel good, we do join the students group. Otherwise, we just communicate it with the third years and they make things easier for us. That is how they are that much important to us. And same, we look out for you people to have it in you. We have our teams with very much grace and dignity. Same, we look out for you people. When you think of joining, join with grace and dignity. And now,
Ma'am, one more thing.
yes, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
First years, please be very, very responsible in whatever you are doing. From past 3 days, the kind of chats what we are seeing, and even in this session. So please be responsible for your acts, for whatever you do in the institute. And as of now, even this online is our institute itself.
Yes.
So be responsible for your act.
And everything is recorded, as ma'am said. Let me remind you, everything is recorded, everything is noted. Any kind of interruption which is not necessary is taken account of. And yes, of course, we do have anti-ragging team. Anti-ragging team is not just for the students, but for the faculty sessions too. So please beware of all such things. I'm not making you feel scared, but I am bringing you people in the reality now. And Monday onwards, we'll be starting with our classes. Groups have been made by Hokip sir. Look forward to meet you all in a formal mode in the class. And ma'am, anything left from our side?
That's it,
One
ma'am.
thing
Good
is
luck
left.
to all of them.
Yes. One thing is left, I remember. Yes,
Yes,
Avila,
ma'am.
I'm coming. Avila is going to share a link here for the Google form. And that Google form is for joining the club. Somebody is creating noise. Please mute yourself. Vikram Anand. Please check you are moving and we can hear you. Vikram Anand, why you have your phone in your pocket? Okay. So again, he has unmuted. I have muted, he unmutes. I mute, he unmutes. What is he doing? Okay, Avile, please join the link in the chat box. Avila has shared the link in the chat box. Just take a note of this Google form. They have listed all the clubs out there. This is for you and us because we want to know the participation level. As one of the student asked, is it necessary to join the club? No, it is not at all necessary. We are looking out for the volunteers who will work actively for us and will not be a burden to us, right? So please think responsibly, act sustainably. Sustainably, do we have, right? But here, think responsibly to join any of the club because once you are a part, you'll be shouldered with the responsibility for sure. So take this Google link, submit the particular form, and we'll get back to you after some time once our classes begin. Thank you so much, everyone.
Avila, there is one message which has come. That link is not opening. Just check at your end. Or else the link will be sent to them later on Monday if there is
Yes.
any technical issue on your
Yes.
group.
One is writing,
Theory
it
group.
is working. One is writing, it is working. We can choose more than one club.
Okay,
You
it is
can.
opening. It is opening. Most
Okay.
of them are writing. It is opening.
Yes, you can choose one, more than one club. It's your wish. It is just the data that we need right now to form our respective clubs. That's it. But those who are putting, they are definitely going to get information further. So think responsibly. Again, I'm saying. So, ma'am, I think we can end our session of the day.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much, ma'am.
everyone.
Thank you, students, for being lovely participants from now on.
Second,
First years.
I would like to take 5-10 minutes.
Hokib, sir, you are saying something?
Yeah, I would like to take 5-10 minutes.
Right,
Good
sir.
evening,
Please,
Hokib, sir.
Good
Evening,
evening,
good
sir.
evening,
Please
good
join
evening.
in, sir.
All right, thank you so much. All right, good evening, everyone. I have taken up this session or this time just to confirm that if you people have received the mails in which I have sent you the link for the WhatsApp group for your respective theory classes. And the email address that I have used is the one which you people have submitted to the National Council. So if there are still some people who are yet to join the group. Right now, from the theory group 1, I have 98 people joining the group. Theory group 2, I have 83 people joining the group. And theory group 3, I have only 79 people joining the group. So in case if there are any one of you still missing or not yet joining, please join the group because from Monday onwards, your class are going to start. Or what you can do is, in case if there is anyone who has not received the mail, I'll just drop my number in the chat box and then you can WhatsApp me. So
Are you
I
there,
have
sir?
just,
Okay,
yeah,
sorry.
I have just shared my number, that is my WhatsApp number. In case if there is anyone of you who has not received the mail yet, please contact me there and I'll add you in your respective groups. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Ma'am, thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so much,
Hakib,
sir. There is one
thank
query,
you,
Shivang. There is a query regarding the theory group, so I would like to clear it out. There are only 3 official groups that we have. One for TG1, TG2, TG3. That's it. Those are our official groups. Apart from that, we are not aware of any other group. Yes, Shivang, please take over.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sakshi ma'am and Shweta ma'am and all the club representatives for enthusing the students about the cultural societies. And I obviously don't need to speak on behalf of the students to tell you how excited they are to join them. And I would now like to request Astha ma'am to take over and conclude the session. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shiva. We've come to the end of this 3-day long induction session, and it reminds me of a few lines. यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना पड़ता है, भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार और तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है. With this, we conclude and welcome our batch of 23 with smiles, warm hearts, and an assurance that you all will have our support and guidance. Thank you all for being so patient, attentive throughout the session.